machine-to-machine communication, 5G voice, edge computing and network slicing. Jio 5G will be true 5G in every sense, and I believe that India deserves nothing less than true 5G. And through the recent auction conducted by the Department of Telecommunications, we have also acquired the largest and the most appropriate mix of wireless spectrum for 5G, and this gives Jio 5G a distinct competitive advantage. In addition to the 3,500 megahertz mid-band spectrum that is globally earmarked for 5G and the 26 gigahertz millimeter wave band for ultra-high capacity, only Jio has the 700 megahertz low-band spectrum that is so very essential for deep indoor coverage. And we are able to seamlessly combine these frequencies into a single powerful data highway using an advanced technology called carrier aggregation. This threefold advantage of standalone 5G architecture, largest and best mix of spectrum, and carrier aggregation means that Jio 5G will be able to offer an unparalleled combination of coverage, capacity, quality, and affordability. We are working very closely with all leading global smartphone OEMs, and we have their commitment that they will support Jio's true 5G in India. I firmly believe that digital freedom is the birthright of every Indian. Therefore, 5G cannot remain an exclusive service available only to the privileged few or only to those in our largest cities. To build our pan-India true 5G network, we have committed a total investment of 2 lakh crore rupees. Jio has prepared an ambitious and the fastest ever 5G rollout plan for a country of our size. Within the next 2 months, that is by Diwali of 2022, we will launch Jio 5G across multiple key cities, including the metro cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. Subsequently, we plan to increase the Jio 5G footprint month after month until by December of 2023, which is less than 18 months from today, to deliver Jio 5G to every town, every taluka, and every tehsil of our country. We will use our combined wireless and wireline assets to blanket the 3.3 million square kilometers of India's landmass with fiber quality broadband, connecting even those parts of the country where thus far satellite technology was considered the only option for connectivity. Friends, we are able to pursue our disruptive ambitions because of the unique technology, research and development capabilities we have developed in Jio. As I mentioned in our earlier meetings, we have indigenously developed an end-to-end 5G stack, which is fully cloud-native, software-defined, digitally managed, with support of even advanced features like quantum security. This is 100% developed by our own over 2,000 young Jio engineers working tirelessly for the past 3 years. We have already deployed this made-in-India 5G stack in our network with sufficient capacity to serve hundreds of millions of users from day one. Furthermore, Jio 5G is uniquely positioned to offer private 5G solutions for Indian enterprises at owners' economics. Friends, let me now invite Akash and Kiran on stage, who will